operations. But how do you achieve this? Welcome friends, Fawaz with you from Shastek International. Do you know actually a smooth and flawless concrete warehouse floor actually it can make all the difference in your operations. But how do you achieve this perfect? Actually, it's all about the meticulous plannings and execution. So, like I can say, the first we have to prepare the base with the proper grading, then a compaction, then we have to apply these vapor barriers to prevent the moisture-related issues. Then, while this pouring of the concrete, we have to ensure the mix is perfectly right and the surface should be flat to avoid the unwanted bumps or depressions. Then, during the finishing, we have to use the right tools and the techniques in order to create the smooth and level surface. And finally, it's the most important that curing, so it can strengthen your concrete and at the same time it can prevent the cracking. So a perfect concrete floor requires a regular inspection, maintenance and a timely repair, of course. Then achieving a perfect concrete warehouse is not just doing the initial construction, it is actually an ongoing commitment to details and maintenance. So like this you can achieve a smooth flawless concrete floor. Thank you.